Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever clicked on a Telegram link only to be met with the message, "This content is not available"? Yeah, frustrating, right? Especially when you know it's just a simple setting holding you back. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to show 18+ content on Telegram in 2025, step by step. It's much easier than you think. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal one important move you must make to ensure the setting actually works. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's jump right in. First things first, you can't do this directly from the Telegram mobile app. You'll need to use your web browser. So go ahead and open your preferred browser. This works on both mobile and desktop. Now, type this in the address bar, web.telegram.org. Hit enter. You'll land on the Telegram web login page. Step 1. Log into your account. Type in your phone number and Telegram will send you a verification code directly to your Telegram app. Copy that code and enter it here to continue. Once you're in, you'll see your Telegram web dashboard. This is where the real magic happens. Step 2. Access the settings. Click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the sidebar menu that appears, select Settings. Now inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. Step 3. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Here, you'll see a section labeled Sensitive Content. Under that, you'll see the checkbox that says Show 18+ content. Make sure this box is checked. This setting allows Telegram to display media and messages that may be flagged as sensitive or adult. If it's unchecked, Telegram will continue hiding this content, even in private groups and channels you've joined. Step 4. Apply the changes. After checking the box, refresh the Telegram web page. Then, very important, close your Telegram app completely and reopen it. This forces the app to sync with your updated web settings. And just like that, you've enabled 18+ content on Telegram. Now you can access channels and view sensitive media that were previously restricted. Remember, many users miss out because they skip the browser step or forget to restart the app. Following the full process exactly like this ensures the setting sticks and stays active across all your devices. So, what other Telegram tricks or hidden settings would you like me to uncover next? Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments. I reply to every single one. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you're the first to know when new tech tips drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.